Today I'll be reviewing the SCULPFUN S30 11-watt laser engraver and showcasing its capabilities. Please note that this machine doesn't come pre-assembled. I encountered challenges with unclear manual instructions, especially during the installation of parts like the belt. Securing the cable wiring also proved more difficult than anticipated. Consequently, I spent over 2 hours assembling it, which is longer than the assembly time for other similar products. It is highly recommended to use a honeycomb workbench to protect your table from laser damage. The real engraving area is an impressive 600 by 600 millimeters, significantly larger than competing products, which usually provide an area of 400 by 400 millimeters. It features a replaceable lens, automatic air assist, emergency stop, and key lock for safety. Let's delve into exploring its features. Before use, you need to employ a fixed focus column to adjust the laser module. Personally, I find this design a bit challenging, and I would prefer using a fixed focus plate or focus stick from other brands for easier adjustment. Now, let's try cutting a beautiful pattern on the 160-gram paper. Open Lightburn, import the desired file, adjust the speed to 30 mm per second, and set the power to 100%. Let's proceed with the cutting process. The entire procedure takes 11 minutes to complete. Just take a look. The result is satisfying and the edges are impressively sharp. Let's try another pattern with more intricate and precise lines. It took me 9 minutes to complete this one. The results were truly astonishing, surpassing my previous experiences in other laser engraver. Let's test its capability to cut a wood sheet, this time opting for 3 mm poplar plywood. After conducting a material test, we determined it can be completely cut out using a speed of 5 mm per second. Now, as we begin cutting, remember to activate the air assist. Notice how the cutting is remarkably smooth and clean, leaving no burns on the plywood. Following the cutting process, we enhance the visual appeal by spraying different colors on the wood, making it more interesting. Afterward, adding glue to the snowflakes and words, we meticulously position them. The outcome is, once again, truly awesome and satisfying. For a creative touch, you can also experiment with engraving images on wood. By gluing 2 layers together, you can produce simple yet beautiful ornaments. Exploring further, I engraved an image on cardboard with a speed of 50 mm per second and 100% power. The results reveal a captivating 3D effect, which adds an intriguing dimension to the outcome and is quite fascinating for me. Let's try engraving some trains and see the results this time. Finally, let's explore the use of the SCULPFUN roller to engrave cylindrical objects. The shaft can be adjusted to fit different sizes of cylinders, but it's not very smooth to adjust for both sides. You'll need to install the 4 raising feet with screws, though I find this design less convenient than other brands, taking more than 5 minutes to install or uninstall. Next, connect the Y-axis cable to the roller. Place the bottle you want to engrave, open the rotary setup in Lightburn, select the roller option, and enable the rotary feature. You'll also need to input the circumference and the roller diameter. Switch to fill mode in the layer, and this time, I used a speed of 80 mm per second and power set at 100%. Again, use the fixed focus column to ensure the laser module is in the right position. The result is decent, although I believe it could be even better if I used a bottle in a darker color. However, I don't have any complaints about it. These are the products I've created, and they look good to me. Let's summarize the pros and cons of the machine. On the positive side, first, the real engraving area of 600 by 600 mm sets it apart, offering a significant advantage over its competitors. Second, the focusing accuracy is excellent, allowing for the cutting of intricate patterns that may be challenging with other machines. Third, the automatic air assist ensures clean and smooth wood cutting. However, the machine has its drawbacks. First, the fixed focus column is not user-friendly, and removing it after adjusting the laser module can be challenging. Second, utilizing the roller feature requires time for installing the raising feet. Thirdly, the laser shield on the laser module is not strong enough to provide adequate eye protection. Therefore, it is essential to wear additional eye shield during the work. The SCULPFUN S30 11-watt laser engraver proves to be an excellent tool for me, but there's still room for improvement.